Can we have a Srishti on the stage, please?
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Just to inform you, we are running a little behind the time. Sorry for the inconvenience. Further, I would like to go ahead with our first keynote address of DSCI National COA's second edition of Security Investors Conference. For this, we'd like to extend a warm welcome to Mr. Vinayak Godse, Vice President, DSCI. Mr. Godse will be addressing on state of cybersecurity investment in India. Please welcome him. Vinayak, I would like to.
Thank you, Srishti. So what we are going to do in this session is to understand the state of cybersecurity investment in the country. So as we discussed last year as well, I made such a presentation. So we just would like to see what had happened really in last 1 year in cybersecurity investment. As you know that cyber investment into cybersecurity enterprise had been scaling up for last so many years, and 2019 was a very remarkable year where we have seen almost $12 billion plus investment in cybersecurity. In the pandemic year, every sector had been struggling, but cybersecurity still could be able to do much better job. Almost $7.8 billion investment which had come to cybersecurity globally in the cybersecurity area, and if you just look at the deals which are coming in, so apart from the overall investment and the number of deals that are happening in cybersecurity space, what we are seeing is basically significant scale of investment is significantly rising basically, right? For example, many organizations like OneTrust, Drago, Cato Network, SentinelOne, Tanium, Arctic Wolf, or Sync, or Auth0, or Onifido, or BioCatch, or Astilion, so HashiCorp. So many of them had secured the deal 100 million plus kind of value basically. So that tells us a very important story is the demand of cybersecurity is definitely, the technology is definitely scaling up, and that scale requires you to invest quite significantly. And now investors also realizing the value that cybersecurity, commercial value that cybersecurity brings to them basically. We are now at this point of seeing a lot of unicorns also in cybersecurity space. So apart from the number of deals in the different areas of cybersecurity, what we are saying is the scale of investment is also significantly rising, and investors are willing to now put the significant kind of dollars on some of those credible innovation in cybersecurity space. So this particular slide and this particular examples tells us or gives us that testimony. So and when we see globally what is happening, so we know we are also able to evolve that investment ecosystem in the country. Almost $50 million plus had been invested in India in cybersecurity space, and there are many different companies. Recently, Cyber, Avalanche, Recognize, and historically there are a lot of companies which have been getting investment from the global as well as India-specific investment firms, and we would be hearing them in the next 2 days time of this particular investors conference. So this scale is picking up, the number of deals were also rising up, and value per deal is also significantly rising, and that is also being seen in the country like India, and we are able to see that probably after US, Israel, and some part of the Europe, India's cybersecurity ecosystem is definitely now showing that value from the investment perspective. What we need to understand, so this investment in the cybersecurity space in India is, for example, just taken some example like Indus Space, right, which has a couple of years they announced investment from Tata Capital. We have seen the investment in company like CloudSec, so a couple of rounds of investment which happen in CloudSec. We have seen Lucidius is now increasingly attracting the investors' attention in different parts of the globe, basically. So one is the Indian security companies had been acquiring probably are attracting the attention of the investors. Then gradually the investment started happening with them, and once this investment starts attracting, and there are some investors which are deep technology focused, we need to understand what exactly the investor brings to the table. For example, getting investment and probably aligning or helping or working with investors helps you to scale your business quite significantly. Just take an example of this Lucidius, which is one of our key stakeholder or key startup in the investment ecosystem, basically. So Lucidius has attracted investors from 2-3 different key investment houses, and just pick one investor, right? For example, I'm just picking this MS&AD Venture Capital. Just pick one investor out of it and just try to see that particular house, it had been investing into so many different organizations, basically, and those organizations are large in digital sector. And the investor enhances your connectivity and enhances your connectedness, basically, enhances the relationship with many other enterprises, basically. And such kind of a network that you try to bring, and the investor brings that to your table, basically. So one is their investment, their experience of investing to so many organizations. Second part is this organization itself can be a client for you, or through them that you can reach out to different clients, apart from all the investment and all the guidance that investors are giving to you. And we at DSA has been trying to understand this investment ecosystem quite comprehensive and quite detailed, basically. So thousands of deals that we have been looking at and trying to see what kind of connectedness or that Indian security startup companies can be leveraging by working with the typical investment houses, or what kind of connectedness or relationship that they can establish through the different routes. And this is just one track I'm trying to explain you as a part of the effort that we are putting together. In case of CloudSec, it's another story. They have got quite a good clientele in India, like HDFC Bank, McMatrip, Indus and Bank, or Axis Bank, or Gojek, or Citrix System, and Olam. So this clientele also gives us a good testimony that the startup solutions are increasingly now hitting the enterprise boundaries, basically. So the many larger tier 1 enterprises in India is now increasingly looking at solutions which have been developed by cybersecurity startups, basically, right? And this is a quite interesting story for the investors as well. And CloudSec, you just imagine there is one investor, Xfinity Venture Partner, and through that investment, it's not only the investment CloudSec got, but the kind of network that Xfinity Venture Partner has in India and other parts of the globe. So that expands the entire relationship marketing possibility of the CloudSec, basically. So we have been looking at all of those possibilities, and this is even data that we have been collecting as the Data Security Council of India's National CEO Initiative, and trying to look at how exactly this intelligence about the investment in cybersecurity, that we equip the startups working in the country so that they make their steps, or they take down actions, basically, with this intelligence that we have been building at our place. But we all know that the investment in cybersecurity and the story that we have seen in last couple of years of times in terms of the larger global scale enterprise. We just heard Rishi about how the global enterprise can be built in cybersecurity space. It's also the story of investment, basically. For example, the early stage startup may have 1 or 2 investment, basically. The mid-stage startup like Holsters have almost 8, 9, 10 different partners, investment partners, which would be investing in that company. And then there are unicorns like Akamai Technology, which has almost 25, 50 number of investors investing into them. And at the end of the day, some of them would be going to the share market or listing market, basically. So this ecosystem, so we are seeing in India the early stage, basically. We are seeing that 1 investment, 2 investment in a particular startups are happening, or 3 investment in particular startups are happening. So how can we graduate them to a mid-sized enterprise, like what we see here in case of the High Trust? So that could be a goal that we have been collectively taking with the government of India, with a security fraternity, and more importantly, the investor community, which is coming to help us in this investor conference, and also helping us to to create or improve the prospect of the cybersecurity startup. And eventually, we would like to see there's already one example like a DROA, which some of the work that they do qualify into cybersecurity space is one of the key unicorn in cybersecurity space. We would like to see many more unicorn in cybersecurity space, and some of the unicorns coming out of the India, because we have already seen in digital space we are almost 50 plus unicorns out of India. So can there be some more unicorns coming out of cybersecurity? For that, apart from the effort that we do on a incubation side or research side or a market development side, the investment ecosystem is quite critically important. So what we are trying to put here with this, and we are trying to convey our message here with this particular cybersecurity investor conference, is creating that ecosystem of investors so that we would able to support the innovation coming out of India to reach to that maximum scale, to reach to that global scale, to reach to the scale where some cybersecurity unicorns come out of the Indian innovation ecosystem, security ecosystem. So this is a goal, and with this objective, we will like to see the next 2 days of the conference coming in, and quite good enriching agenda, looking at the technology, looking at the investment issues, looking at the global investment ecosystem. So you'll see many such sessions have been devised with this objective of how can we increasingly mature the investment ecosystem in the country. So this, I would like to conclude my presentation. Looking forward to interacting with you all during the next 2 days course of this investor conference. Thank you, Srishti. Srishti, over to you.
Thank you, Vinayak, for sharing your thoughts. We will now move on to our next session in stage 1 and stage 2. Request all of the delegates to switch there. You can join to stage 1 and stage 2. Thank you.